The WPIX-CW Morning News at 7 starts right now. 4th of July weekend, all about celebrating our country, having fun, eating food. Sometimes, though, accidents happen. So for information on how to stay safe and out of the yard this holiday weekend, we have Dr. Borislav Stoev joining us from St. Peter's University Hospital. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Corey. How are you?
I'm doing quite well, and I know that, look, you're in the air, Doc, and every time this time of year rolls around, you see a lot of things every year. So what are the things that you typically get?
Certainly, around holidays, we get an increased load of patients coming in with multiple injuries. Most commonly around this holiday, obviously, there's fireworks, grilling outside, so burns to the hands and face are very common, so we tend to see quite a bit of those. Second, people are outside, so they're doing sports, they're exercising, or just hanging out, so they injure themselves.
Playing some football, and you haven't played in a while, and then you break something, or you
fall, you sprain your ankle, you have a laceration that needs sutures, and so on.
I'm seeing food, we have a list here. Food poisoning, too, is a big thing?
Absolutely. So people are outside barbecuing, they leave the food out too long. It goes bad, they get sick, they get nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. So they can also get dehydrated in addition to that because of the heat. So that's very common. Water injuries, water-related injuries. Right. So being around the pool, jumping off a diving board is very dangerous if you're not careful. Watch your kids around the pool. And then
alcohol too is the other thing. Alcohol, a lot of times that's involved in some of the other accidents we're seeing. Absolutely. But alcohol can be a bad thing. So just be aware of that. Absolutely. So let's talk about fireworks, okay? Because people, look, every year we say the same thing. Don't mess around with these fireworks. You're going to hurt yourself. And every year, people hurt themselves.
That's right. And there's only one rule for fireworks. Leave it to the professionals. There's pyrotechnicians that deal with this on a very safe level. So the only advice I have for people is just stay away. Do not do it. Also, in a lot of states, they're illegal.
Absolutely.
So completely stay away from that. Enjoy it outside. Let somebody else do the work.
Right, exactly.
And
stay away.
Even the sparklers are dangerous since they burn at a very high level.
You see kids with the sparklers all the time.
Exactly, but they can cause second and third degree burns.
Wow.
They can the temperature can be up to over 1,000 degrees.
Jeez.
So.
Okay.